How to add a camera shortcut to the lock screen on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Hello everybody. In order to do so, you may follow up this step. So head over to the main settings of your device. Open up settings. And then after you open up settings, scroll down, go over and search for lock screen. After you locate up lock screen, you will be finding these options on the screen. Now from the given options, scroll down. And you should be finding an option called shortcuts on your screen. Go ahead and tap on it. After that, you need to have this toggle option on. All you gotta do is simply turn it on. After that, what you can do is you may select up where you want the shortcut, left or right side of your screen. Once you sort it out, for example, we want it on the right side, tap on right shortcut. Now from the given apps, you may select up camera. So go ahead and search for camera here. Right now we have this camera, just go ahead and tap on it. And once you do, you will be finding that camera has been selected as your shortcut on your lock screen. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to add a camera shortcut to the lock screen on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.